One of the most discussed topics in Islamic history is the emergence of Imam Mahdi, known as the Guided One. Imam Mahdi will play a central role in the events leading up to the Day of Judgment. But who is Imam Mahdi? What will he look like? When and where will he appear? And what role will he play in the battle against Dajjal? Let's explore these questions in detail. Imam Mahdi, whose name will be Muhammad ibn Abdullah, is a descendant of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, through the lineage of Fatima, the Prophet's daughter. He is referred to as Al-Mahdi, meaning the rightly guided one, and his mission is to restore justice and establish the truth in a world filled with corruption and oppression. The arrival of Imam Mahdi is one of the major signs of the end times in Islam. According to Hadith, he will appear when the world is engulfed in turmoil, injustice, and widespread oppression. People will seek a leader to guide them, and Imam Mahdi will emerge to fulfill this role by the will of Allah. Imam Mahdi will appear in Mecca near the Kaaba, where he will be recognized and pledged allegiance by righteous Muslims. This moment marks the beginning of his divinely guided leadership and the start of his mission to bring justice to the world. Imam Mahdi's physical description is mentioned in Sahih Hadiths. He will have a broad forehead, a prominent nose, and his face will radiate light and nobility. His demeanor will reflect humility, kindness, and strength, making him a true leader for the believers. Imam Mahdi will rule the world with absolute justice. He will eradicate corruption, restore Islamic values, and bring unity among Muslims. His leadership will mark a golden age of peace, prosperity, and faith, fulfilling the mission of establishing truth and justice. One of the most critical events during Imam Mahdi's time will be the emergence of Dajjal, the false messiah. Dajjal will deceive people with false miracles and claim to be divine. Imam Mahdi, along with Prophet Isa, Jesus, peace be upon him, will lead the believers in the final battle against Dajjal. Imam Mahdi and Prophet Isa, peace be upon him, will confront Dajjal, and it will be Prophet Isa who will slay him near a place called Lida in modern-day Palestine. This victory will mark the end of Dajjal's fitna and the beginning of a new era of peace and worship. The story of Imam Mahdi is a reminder of the ultimate victory of truth over falsehood. It teaches us to remain steadfast in our faith, strive for justice, and prepare for the trials of the end times. Imam Mahdi's mission is a source of hope for all believers, reminding us that Allah's guidance will always prevail. The story of Imam Mahdi inspires faith, hope, and perseverance. Let us reflect on his mission and strive to embody the values of justice, unity, and righteousness. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic content.